If you want someone to do something, there is only one way. Make them want to do it. This simple statement is the greatest secret of dealing with people. You might think that you can make someone work through fear or threats. Yes, you can point a gun at someone and snatch their watch, or, as a boss, threaten an employee with losing their job. But these harsh methods only bring dissatisfaction and rebellion. To get real work done, you need to awaken a person's desire in their heart. Today, we're going to discuss part 2 of chapter 1 from Dale Carnegie's book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. What do people want? The famous psychologist Sigmund Freud said that behind all human actions, two primary driving forces operate: sexual desire and the desire to be great. America's well-known philosopher John Dewey phrased it a bit differently. He said the deepest human desire is to become important. This urge for significance sets people apart. It is a hunger as intense as food or sleep, yet is rarely fully satisfied. To understand this story better, let's go back a bit. There was a farmer's son whose father raised pigs and cows in a village in Missouri. Every year, they would exhibit their livestock at fairs and win blue ribbons. The pigs didn't care about these prizes, but to the boy's father, they mattered. He would hang those ribbons on a cloth and proudly show them to visitors. These blue ribbons made him feel important. This urge for significance motivates people to do extraordinary things. A poor shopkeeper, who found some law books in a barrel of old items, educated himself by reading them. His name was Abraham Lincoln. The same desire inspired Dickens to write immortal novels, Rockefeller to accumulate immense wealth, and ordinary people to wear stylish clothes or drive new cars. Even criminals have this urge. A New York police commissioner once said that young offenders often see themselves as heroes because they feel proud when their picture appears in the newspapers. Here's another interesting example. Once there was a woman who had lost everything in life: her husband's love, her children, her social standing. She went mad. But in her madness, she imagined herself as a noble woman who gave birth to a new child every night. Her doctor said that she was very happy in this imaginary world. From this story, we see how powerful the desire to feel important can be. So how can we fulfill this hunger in people? The answer was given by Charles Schwab, the first American to earn $1 million annual salary. He said his greatest talent was inspiring people. He never criticized. Instead, he always gave praise and encouragement. He said, "If I like something, I wholeheartedly praise it." Even though this advice sounds simple, many of us do the opposite. If something displeases us, we criticize it, but if something is good, we stay silent. Schwab's secret to success was that he praised people's good work and encouraged them. The power of sincere praise is immense. Here's a story. A wife asked her husband how she could become a better spouse. Instead of giving 6 suggestions, he sent her 6 roses and said, "I love you just as you are." This small praise deepened their relationship. From this story, we learn that praise and flattery are not the same. Flattery is dishonest, selfish, and fake. Sincere praise comes from the heart. It lights up joy in people's minds. For instance, thanking a tired salesperson for their courtesy brings a smile to their face. Or praising a chef for their cooking can make their entire day better. Let's end with a true story. A blind boy named Stevie Morris was asked by his teacher to find a lost mouse in the classroom because she knew his hearing was extraordinary. This praise changed Stevie's life. That boy later became the world-famous singer Stevie Wonder. This story reminds us that a little sincere praise can change someone's life. From today, let's all try to notice people's good qualities and fill them with genuine praise. This will not only uplift their hearts, but also spread joy in our own lives.